All right, the holidays are around the corner. This is a perfect light for it. Now, you don't have to worry about batteries because it comes with a solar panel. It's a very interactive. I'm going to show you guys how interactive it is. So it's just a one push of a button here. Day to night mode, automatically they're going to turn off to conserve batteries, and they're going to charge throughout the day. Just make sure you set this up in the direction of the sun, right? Try to put it in a proper way, because if you put it underneath the shadow shade, it's going to not get the full charge. So just make sure you're aware of that, because at night you want your house, you hold down the button, all right? I'm gonna put it down so you guys can see it. So look at the light, and by changing the light you can change the different tones, different colors, all right? So what we're gonna do today, we're actually gonna set up different colors. Just make sure, see how you picked it up, because I have daylight, but if you put it down it's gonna turn on automatically. But look at the beautiful lights that reflect. So we're gonna set this up right now. I just turned it off and set it up through our house in the front yard, and see how it lights up at night. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, check it out, guys. Look at night, how beautiful it looks like. All right, we're here. You got your Christmas lights, you got your lights outside. Look at this, we got different colors. We got red, green, blue. They're very bright. They shine up the entire yard here. So if you're setting up your Christmas, this is perfect. So when everybody turns off the lights, these will stay on until the sun comes up again. Look at that. You could adjust them how you want. It doesn't have to be the direction of what you need. Look at that, beautiful lights. Simple steps to turn it on. If you want to change the color, all you got to do is push the button and change it to different colors you want. Look at that. I like the colors. Change it. You can turn it off. Violet and white. So here they are. Hope you guys enjoy the video.